Welcome to FETW Insights Daily Iron Ore or Steel Updates, the 16th of July 2025. Hi, I'm Shruti. Let's begin with today's key updates from the iron ore and steel market. Today, Dalian iron ore futures continued their strong upward trend, with the most traded SEP 25 contract reaching a high of 777 yuan and 50 fen per WMT in noon, closing levels at 773 yuan per WMT, VAT inclusive, marking a daily increase of 1.05% approx. Traders were actively selling their goods. Steel mills purchased as needed, with some experiencing weaker sales of finished steel products and a corresponding decrease in purchase willingness. The market transaction atmosphere was average. The spread between futures and spot prices continued to narrow. SGX SEP futures trading levels around 100 United States dollars and 20 cents per DMT to 100 United States dollars and 30 cents per DMT levels, with an increase of 0.94%, reaching a high of 100 United States dollars and 50 cents per DMT during trading hours up to noon session. The price levels may boost India export sentiments. Trader or exporters may come in exports in the short term if this level continues. Short-term outlook on China iron ore market. Overall, the current overall profitability of steel mills is moderate, with low willingness for voluntary maintenance. Most of the currently idle blast furnaces are undergoing normal maintenance. There is a possibility of a continued slight increase in hot metal production over the next 2 weeks, providing strong support for ore prices. Coupled with the recent strengthening of macro expectations and optimistic market sentiment, it is expected that iron ore prices will continue to hold up well in the short term. Turning to the India domestic market, today overall domestic steel sentiments are stable, factors including high inventory levels at steel mills putting pressure on prices to clear out the stocks along with poor demand plays a significant role. Pellet prices in India varies between 7,900 rupees to 8,000 rupees per ton, ex-Barbil. Pellet sponge trading levels around 23,400 rupees to 23,500 in Raipur, showing an uptrend of 100 rupees to 200. Domestic billet trading levels in Raipur at 36,500 rupees to 36,650. Rebar trading levels at Raipur 42,300 rupees to 42,350 for the grade 500D. However, in southern India the trading levels between rupees 44,600 to 45,500, showing a stable market. In top headlines, India's stainless steel demand climbs by 8% in FY25, driven by 200 and 400 series. India has reached a steel production capacity of 205 million tons. The Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation (MIDC) has initiated the process to acquire close to 3,500 acres for JSW Group's steel project in Gadchiroli. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and stay ahead with FETW Insights. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.